This is the water pump of a Indesit dishwasher. And here's the problem. The rotator part, ferrite or magnetic material, is broken into two pieces and blocking during the rotation. Twist the rotator with the blades and twist the stable coil externally outside of the plastic housing. Here's some bearing inside. And it's one thing, it's eccentric, so it makes vibration. Another thing is it is get blocked inside the housing, so it's just jamming and the water pump is stopped. So it has to be replaced, but it would be a fortune to replace, and who knows what else will fail. So the whole stuff going into the junkyard. Unfortunately, throwaway society. But that's it. Thanks for watching.